Hello and welcome to my show. This is called How to Make Dr. Carbonated Coffee Bubly Cherry. First thing you gotta do is you open up this Bubly Cherry of carbonated water and you pour into this cup. And after that, you pour this cup of coffee in here. Not this cup of coffee, but the carafe. Then after that, add in raw sugar cubes, and after that, two raw sugar cubes, and after that, get a spoon, then stir it all up. And here we go. Here's your Dr. Carbonated Coffee Bubly Cherry, and it's served ready to drink and enjoy. Bon appetit, and thank you for watching, everyone.